I see everyone here. Oh, it's coming. Hello. Okay. Yusuf, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay. We will wait for 2 3 minutes to another person is joining. We will wait for 2 3 minutes, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hello. It is I am Malarvilian. It is Burma speaking. You are coming or not today? Okay, I think they already sent you the link. You can join through that. Can you make it fast because already another maths hacker came here. Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. She is coming. I called her. She answered and she is coming. We will wait till 10:10. Then we will start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We can start. Now I share my screen.
Okay, sir.
Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's mm. Okay. First of all, sorry for the delay.
No issue, sir. No issue.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. Welcome, Asaf. Uh, Thank you for attending this demo session. This course is designed especially for beginners, so no prior knowledge is needed. Just observe, listen, learn, and Enjoy the process, right? You don't need a design background or design degree to start with. Just need to have a open mindset and willingness to accept critics, right? So you may think, who is this guy? Can you turn off your mic?
Okay, sir. No issue.
Okay. Okay, because it is echoing, right? Okay. Okay. So, you may think, who is this guy telling this instruction and stuff? Uh, Let me introduce myself. One minute. Let me introduce myself. I am Malar Villian. I work as a UI UX designer in TechJoes. I have prior experience in UI UX designing and knowledge in UI UX teaching. I have completed a lot of certifications and proven proven projects. Then I will be your instructor in this journey, like a mentor. You may treat me as your friend. Don't call me sir. Address me as Malar, because we are in the corporate world, so you can address me with my name, right? Feel free to turn on your mic and ask any question while we are in the session. Can you introduce yourself, Asif?
Sir, I am Afas Yusuf from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am
Okay.
currently doing BTech from Kashmir University, 7th semester.
Okay.
I am having experience of graphic designing from past 2 years of experience. Now I want to enhance my skill
Okay.
using UI UX design. Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. Okay. Good. 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 Good to hear that. What are you specializing in BTech?
Electrical engineering.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Do you know about the term UI UX?
Yeah, I know. I have searched about
Mm.
this.
Okay.
UI means user interface and UX means user experience.
Okay. Let me explain you that first. Then we will go into the course structure, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. User design, UX design. First, designers, as a graphic designer, you know what is design. It isn't thinking to solve a problem, right? Uh, UX design. UX design means user experience, right? User experience, the way user interact with the product, how the way the user interact with the product, feel with the product, with the company, the services. So that is the main reason user experience is here. We should identify the pain points. Pain point means the difficulties where the user facing in the product, right? It focus on the understanding of the user problems, right? It making task easy and logic, reducing confusion and frustration while using the product. UX decides what happened. You have to, as a UX designer, you need to ask why and how, why this feature is given, what is the problem. If, for example, you can take, if ordering a food takes too much steps, like we have to go through lot of steps while ordering a food. The UX designer to solve the problem by making the steps easier to use by the user, right? Do you have any question in it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, let me explain it with different examples. As as a UX problem, take this as a problem. User wants answer fast, right? So Google UI UX designer said this as so simple. Like, user in this page, user needs to search for an answer. So it will they given one main input field, like one full search bar. No other misinformation or distraction are there, right? The auto suggestion will help you to, if you write a present in the search bar, they will give lot of auto suggestion to enhance the user feature, right? That makes the user comfort, happy to move forward, right? So user experience is nothing but making the user comfortable, and doing the task focus, making the user task focused and not making the user to distract over the steps. So this page is used for the search the answer. So they make it simple as giving a search bar, not giving another anything distraction. So this is the one example for users. Why it is great? It is task focused. It is minimalism. The minimalism only the search bar is given. The speed the user can go come in this screen and do the work without any distraction. User intent. So it is so easy for user to understand. This page is for a search option, right? Have you understand this example? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then we move into another one. 1 second, I will check whether the another person is joined or not. Okay, she isn't. Okay, let's move into another one. Okay, next example. Okay, what do you see here? The user task is to create your account. Why this? You can differentiate why it is um, good, why it is bad. Can you express your thought, Afis? Hello.
As per me, I think there are number of colors, and it should be as simple as much. No color grading at all.
Okay, good, good. You are observing it in a. You are partially right. May let me explain what is it. Right. Good
Okay.
example of UX, bad example of UX. Because why we are saying this is good? Here the user need to create an account. So the create an account is more specific. They are more highlighted with that color. Then the user task is to create an account. So we gave an create option. CTA button means call to action button. That button makes the user to do an action. So we have to make a button like this. Where the bad example of the UX, where create your account, there is no CTA button, there is no specific, it is merged with all the content. So user will get confused by using this. After
Yes, sir.
you are seeing this, the background, there is background is more highlighted because user will get the cognitive load of the user, and he will get so frustrated by this because we need to focus on creating an account, not focusing on the background, right?
Yes, sir. Our main focus is to be on creating, not on the
Yes,
keywords and all that.
that's why this is a good UX, this is a bad UX. Now you got it right.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Now you can tell me what is a UX design in your context, because it is not. You can feel free to answer in any way.
First of all, it should be user friendly,
Yes, of course.
not that much
Hmm.
difficult to, so that the user will not use this.
Good,
After
good.
that, it should be somehow attractive. That user should be attracted to it, and
Yeah.
he wants to know about it. What will be after this? After this? After doing
Hmm.
this task?
Yes, yes, yes. That's okay. You totally understood what is UX.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's dive into what is UI. UI is nothing but the appearance, right? The aesthetic appearance. The user needs attractive things, so they will feel easy to use that. So in user experience, user the use it is a journey where the user use the product. User interface, it only talk about the appearance and the looks of the product. The signifies aesthetic appearance by which includes parameters like as color, contrast. The contrast. If look at the screen, if I given only text without that image, it will be boring, right?
Yeah.
The color, the background color will be white. If I give black, it will be ugly. The user feel what is this? Only my user interface aesthetic appearance, only that will be appearing. the my other words will disappear. The background color it's black, right? The fonts.
Yes, sir.
If I give this font so small like 24, 20, it will be hard to read by the user, right? So
Yes, sir.
it makes the user to feel uncomfortable. If user feel uncomfortable, the company feel uncomfortable because user will
Yeah.
not use that app. Now you can get that user interface, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go into an example to make it more thorough. Okay, this is a bad example of UI because here we come to search for food, where what kind of food is available, where it is available. So here we come to search for food. In the top of this, you notice that what is this lot of information given. You should be precise to the user don't want to read, they in such a hurry to buy a food, right? uh,
It
uh,
should be precise and full of information.
yes, it should be in a sense, right? Like it should be in a short, because user don't read this much wordings and the font
Yeah.
size is so small. So he feels so frustrated about this, and
And
he
it is
will not
too
use
much
this.
ugly in looking.
Yes, look at this pictures. Look at this. Uh, the wordings. It is the three type of wordings. It make the picture also ugly. The fonts, lot of options. User will confuse about having this kind of options, right? Make
Yeah.
it so difficult to access this page. So it is a bad UI.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
go into a good UI. As you all know, you are ever use Swiggy for ordering
Yeah.
foods?
Yeah. Every
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Swiggy has a clean and simple UI and a direction of food. If users feel confusion about what to eat, where to buy. So Swiggy, this is full example for UX and UI. The what on your mind, top restaurants chain in Chennai. These all are UX. So a UX
Yes.
and UI company make the website good, make the product good. If the product is good, the user feel confident. If the user feel confident, the company will thrive and grow. Have you understand the concept of UI and
Yes, sir.
UX?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you need me to give another examples?
No, sir. No, sir. Comfortable.
Okay, let me go into the course structure.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's start the okay, this is the overall experience I have already taught you. Let's go into the course structure. The course structure is about, we will take this course 1 month fully. The weekdays only this course will be available. Weekdays, we choose a time slot and we will conduct this course. Outcome, one case study you will be presenting and prototyping that case study. Let me explain it detailing. The course approach will be learning concept, apply immediately and build one real product. You are taking a problem statement and working on a problem statement while I am teaching the methods. Simultaneously, you have to work. So you can learn the concept. So you can learn the concept like a pro. You can understand, you can, because you are learning and doing it simultaneously. It makes you confident about the concept. Because I am here to uh, explain you with that, right? Explain the things you are facing in your problem statement. That makes you feel comfortable. So this is a sample problem statement. You can take your own problem statement. I will be there for you to teach that if you are experiencing any problem in that problem statement.
Sir,
Uh,
I'm gonna here interrupt you here. Sorry.
you can't. How long you can't hear?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm gonna interrupt you here. You sorry, sir,
Okay, okay. You
because
can.
you told me in the
Yeah.
beginning
You can interrupt.
you are
You can ask question.
you are only taking class on weekends. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
weekdays.
Weekdays.
Yes,
On which day, sir?
weekdays. All the weekdays. 5 days.
All the week. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. You are confident about the course approach?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we will take one problem statement and work on it. We will learn about the UX and UI concepts. We will apply on the problem statement, and we will understand it more deeply through that.
Okay.
Okay. This is the course structure. First we will go into the foundation of design thinking. How UX work. First we need to learn UX. Nowadays, with the AI, we can do UI as simple as that. Okay, you need to
Okay.
learn about the UX part. There are a lot of stuffs in UX. To understanding user is the main key role to a company success. So UX designers are the so that's why in this era UX designers are blooming like a flower, right?
Yes, sir.
Foundation of the design thinking. We will go into the introduction of the UI UX. I already did something with you, some small intro demo with you, but I will go into deeper in the first class. The product thinking. The product thinking means how to build an end-to-end product. The user research basics, how to research, how to conduct users interview, how to analyze the framework, how to map the user's thoughts. So we will go into that deeper in that session. The real world user needs, how to identify the user needs, how to pinpoint their problems. So we will identify and solve the problems according to some structures, so you can
Yes,
easily
sir.
understand the user needs, right? User persona and journey mapping. These are the user research components we will undergo in our course. Structure and strategy. The user laws, layouts and typography, UI elements, UI design principles. These are UI part. UI part we
Yeah.
will learn the tool called Figma. Figma is the standard tool every company are using, because
Yes, sir.
we have a, we as a UI UX designer, we need to design the layouts and the screens according and we need to prototype it. So Figma is the best tool for that. As a
Yes, sir.
UX designer, Figma is another option as FigJam. It is kind of a whiteboard. Let
Okay.
me share that FigJam file with you. Wait a minute. FigJam. My project. I show you some project. This is the FigJam.
Okay.
You can do the research part here by writing the sticky notes, writing some. This is the research techniques I will teach you in the class. There are a lot of things to teach about the UX, because you have to
Sir, should I
know.
have to install FigJam also?
No. Only Figma is enough. It has FigJam in it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because there are different software to do this, but Figma is the standard software. The company needing people to use that, so
Okay.
we will go
Sir,
stick
I
with the
think
Figma.
Adobe XD is also used,
Yeah,
isn't
Adobe
it?
XD is also used, but Figma is the basics. Okay, you
Okay.
learn Figma, it is easy to adapt into Adobe XD.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, because as a UI UX designer, you need to know Figma first, then Adobe XD. You will learn in further more experience you gain, right? First you will learn as this course is one month, we will learn focus on the Figma tool. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's good. let's let's move to the slide, right? The slide is okay. Here. The third phase is interface. The mid fidelity design, component and grid. These are the components we are discussing in the Figma tool for the UI part. The phase 3 will be covers the UI part, right? Phase 4,
Yes.
testing and motion. After completing your problem statement and finishing all the screen, you have to do. I will guide you the project, but you have to do by your own, right?
Yes, sir. That's the main thing.
That's the main thing, because you have to do. 1 month is maybe not enough, but you have to try to finish, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, project to prototyping. How the prototype will work? You have the basic idea. I will teach you how to prototype in Figma in this course. The website animation. There are a lot of plugins and tools to do website animation. I will teach you that too. The portfolio. building after finishing after finishing the project, I will make sure how to build a portfolio using Behance and Dribble. There are software like that to make portfolios, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me give 1 minute because if the other one is came or not, I need to check. No, she is. Okay. Um, okay, let's go into the other part. Okay, now you clear about after finishing this, we will have the final review and showcase of your project as you finish the project earlier. Otherwise, we will see in that internship. Internship, we will see whether you finish or not. Okay. Interview
Okay.
preparation. In the last day, we will go into an interview preparation. In that interview preparation, I will make you prepare what I taught you in this whole month. In I will make you understand, and I will give you recap about that. So
Okay, sir.
after finishing this course, we need to go to another step, right? What is the next step? The next step is to internship opportunity. Now the company will not hiring fresher without an internship, right?
Yeah.
So we are giving a course combined with an internship. You need to attend the course as much you can, so you can answer the interview question. The interview question will be so simple. You know the basics, you will clear. The UX thinking, I will taught you all the basics. The UX thinking, I will teach you all the basics. The UX thinking, problem solving skills, project understanding, the communication. Of course, we should communicate in English as a corporate world, right? So okay, you now this far you can understand what I'm telling.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay. After your interview, you are get selected into a internship. It leads for 3 months, right? Where you will work on a real project, gain more industrial experience. You will work in a startup. Startup means you have lot of exposure in everything.
Yeah.
Mentorship from product design team. There are good. We are having a lot of good designers, UX UI designer in our tech juice. They will guide you to the fullest. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Why this internship, right? You will experience the real world startup environment, because as a fresher, an employer will ask you that you know this, you know that about the environment, about the corporate world. So you need to have an prior experience, right? They will
Yeah.
we need that, because nowadays there are a lot of freshers. So we need internship which has more knowledgeable then other. You have to stand in your race, right? Stand upfront in your race. So we are going to give you a real startup environment. We will discuss about we are doing lot of in our company we are doing lot of new to new projects, end to end projects, product exposure. So you will have end to end product exposures, right? So you will
Yes, sir.
learn to build a product from scratch to the fullest.
Yeah.
Then you will collaborate with team members. We have for 3 to 4 teams in UI UX department. So you will collaborate with the team members after finishing a project. You will start a project from the scratch and you finish a project, right? At the end, you will hand over to a developer. So you have the experience with speaking with the developer too. So we
Okay.
are giving all the from the scratch to your up to the mark. So we will make you full UI UX designer in this 3 months. But it is in your hand to uh, cope with our society, our environment, right? You need to
Okay.
give your fullest to success, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In while you are in this 3 month internship, you simultaneously you have to build your portfolio.
Yeah.
The portfolio makes you stand out from the crowd, right?
Yes.
With a lot of own projects you have to build. I will teach all the basics and stuffs in the course. So you can you are not to be a fresher, right? Yeah, you this far you are understanding
Yes, sir. Yes.
things. Okay, right. That's good. After finishing this internship, you have lot of opportunities in the outside world because UI UX is a trending. I think it will another 10 years it will bloom like a uh, nothing we can tell. It is so advanced in future because company are hiring lot of UI UX designer. If you look at the LinkedIn, there are a lot of posts day by day. It is increasing, right?
Yes, sir.
The most common available in India, the roles are available like UX researcher, UX designer. They are both. UX researcher do the all research part. They will not enter into a UI part, right? But mostly the fresher is hired in UI UX designer. They will do end-to-end part. They do the research, they build the UI screens, and they hand over to the developer. They will now they are because the people are a lot of people are learning a lot of stuffs. So we need to learn full end to end. In our internship, we will providing that experience. So you are not considered as a fresher in their mindset as an employer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
As a fresher, as a fresher, you can expect 3 to 6 lakhs per annum in the outside world. The mid-level salary will be 612. You after you are completing 2 to 3 years and 4 years in the sense you will get 6 to 12. And the senior level it may exceed the 20 LPA. If you specialize in some you will specialize in UX, you specialize in UI, it will lead you into bigger level packages. Highly influenced by your portfolio. You have to build your portfolio. Portfolio is the key, and the knowledge and the experience you are getting in the internship, and the way you speak, way you present yourself. So you have to put your all in it in this internship, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, now you can ask any question about this.
No, sir. You have explained everything in that manner, so I am not having any questions further.
Okay. 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 Let me wind up this session, or you may ask any question, any silly question also. It's fine. You are learning
No,
here.
sir.
You are coming here to
No, sir.
learn, right?
Thank you so much. We'll ask in the class part.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me wind this session up.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you for attending, Asif. It means a lot to come here in the weekend, and you are attending this class. Let's meet up in the real class. We will
Okay.
update the date and time soon.
Sir, what will be the timing of class? As I'm having timing issues.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah.
main issue.
We will discuss with you later
Okay.
by WhatsApp. We will
Okay.
make the class as per your wish, as per the people. We will create a poll for that, and we will make the time decision through that. Right?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you for attending.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, Asif.